Welcome to the life of an entrepreneur. Me and my mom are setting up to do a pop-up. Well, let me backtrack for a little bit for the people who are new to my page. Well, I know it's a lot of people that are new to my page because I don't get that many views. But anyway, so me and my mom have an online business called Bourgeois Boutique. We cater to all sizes. And we do pop-ups every week to get sales, to get content for YouTube, TikTok, and all that. And we're starting to enjoy it. Now that that's out the way, you guys already know what my channel's about. Let's jump back to the video. So first, we're gonna set the tent. This tent is actually a new tent we just got from Home Depot. This is the third tent we bought. These tents are so easily to break, and they cost so freaking much money. So freaking much money. That makes sense. Okay. Anyway, I didn't have coffee yet. So these tents are expensive. I believe we paid almost $300. It probably don't sound like a lot to you, but when you have a small business, you want the overhead to be as low as possible. And I hate paying for these freaking tents. And they're so easy to break. Like, I'm not understanding. I guess that's probably how we take care of it. As in, once we're done with pop-ups, we literally just try to pack up and leave. Like, it's so exhausting. Like, you do more than 8 hours a day. But anyway, take care of your tents. But so far, I like this tent. It's easy to set up, durable so far, and we just have to see. We'll still wait and see. Since this event is going to be a smaller event, we didn't bring all our clothes, but we brought the popular items and a few of our new arrivals. If you guys, like I said, if you guys want to see anything, if you guys want to purchase anything, the link to me in the description box, so you go check it out. It's just setting up the table right now. Also, we bring in accessories too, so we have enough inventory to accommodate the crowd. I really want to play this video without any voiceovers, but unfortunately, one of the vendors across the street is playing loud music, so I do not want any copyright violations. You guys know how YouTube is. So I'm going to have to do voiceovers. You guys know how I feel about voiceovers, but if you're new to my page, go subscribe, and you guys will get to know me more. But yeah, I will have to do voiceovers. I'm going to have to jump in and out of the video. I'm playing older music, and I'm just vibing to it. Like, they some freaks when you listen to this music. Let's hear this song. The last song he was saying, she like, I like it on the bottom, you like it on the top. They some freaks. Hey guys, so we're here. We're trying to set up a little bit. Please don't judge me. I'm drinking a Red Bull. You guys already know. So, and the only thing is, like, it's so weird. Like, it's all police over here watching us. Like, you see them right here. I don't know if you guys can see them, like, all right here. Messing with us. Hi. I like everything. Part two. Thank you, ladies. Hey. We're gonna turn up today. This is cute.
Yeah, I got a lot of different styles. I don't want it to be.
Okay, so we're set up. We're just waiting for customers.
But I'm riding alone, deciding I'm about to fly out and go get me some.
Bam, that's how I do it.
Hey, I guess we go to the car and come back.
Oh, look at you. You ain't shit.
knows all about this stuff, huh?
No, this was the first. Okay, we're gonna keep walking. We'll go there.
Here, we're doing a day party.
When's your birthday?
February.
I can't predict. But my actual due date wasn't
The 14th.
So we celebrate my birthday on 2 days.
Oh, yeah. You're lucky.
I remember having a birthday. Please get it. We go to the yes.
Oh, she wants the birthstone one? You got the birthstone.
There you go, turn that shit.
Something in my eye. But yeah, so we made a few sales. It's a few. It's kind of dead. I'm not even gonna lie, it's kind of dead. But it's fine. This is getting content for YouTube, TikTok, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna walk around. It looks like there's people down here. At least I can pass us some flyers or something. And next door, so they're doing karaoke. It's kind of entertaining over here. And that's Scorpio. He's like a impersonator of Michael Jackson. He's very popular out here in so. Okay guys, so it is slow. We're gonna stay here for we'll give it like 30 minutes to see if we get some more sales, but so far I don't think so. But it's fine. At least I got some content. I said that earlier. At least I got content. Not a total fail, you know. Water break. We've been making some sales, guys. I'm so proud of us. It's slowing down a little bit, but still, I still have a little hope. I want to make at least 2 more sales before I start breaking up. There's a few people down there. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So of course I'm drinking my strawberry acai, and I have about 15 minutes before my next class, so I decided to talk to you guys real quick. So over the weekend, me and my mom did a pop-up for Juneteenth. It was actually Saturday through Monday, and when I mean it was busy, it was packed in there. I'm gonna have the vlogs, the previous vlogs, somewhere on the screen or in the description box so you guys can catch up, and then you can understand what I'm talking about, and then come back to this video, right? So I briefly want to talk to you guys. So this customer we had, she purchased a dress from us. Okay, and my battery about to die. Story of my life. Okay. So she purchased a dress from us, right? I woke up to some orders, but not from her. But anyway, that's another thing. We went to go ship orders after class. But she sent me a 2-paragraph message saying what I need to improve and how the website is hard for her to go through, right? And I do give her that. I didn't get offended when she said it. I don't know if I should screenshot her messages for you guys to read, but she has some valid points. But let me explain this. Me and my mom do pop-ups every weekend, and it gets a little hectic. I know we lack organization because we're both really busy people. She still works, I work, go to school, and I'm a vlogger, so that's a lot. But it's no excuse. It's no excuse. I'm an entrepreneur. I need to balance my time more, maybe. But anyway, so the dresses that she wants to purchase, it's on the website, but we don't have it in stock. So that is our fault, because when we sell a dress at a pop-up or where we're at, we don't update the website until somebody like order it, and then we realize, oh, we don't have it in our inventory. I know we lack that. Like, if you see our office, the office is a mess. I probably should do a vlog about how we can organize it, and because it is a lot and it's kind of chaotic. Okay, I have to go to class in like 10 minutes, so let me get this out real quick. So anyway, so basically she listed everything she didn't like, and it's a lot of stuff that we need to improve with the business, but hey, it's part of life, I guess. Yeah, I know. It's just so much stuff that I need to do. It's so much stuff, and I don't want to get overwhelmed. And I have midterms next week, so maybe after the midterms I'm gonna focus more on the business and updating the website. Actually, I can redo the website. That's probably what I do. I'll probably redo the website. But yeah, it's time to go. It is. I need to go to class, and then after class I'm gonna ship some orders, and then we're gonna talk some more. Today gonna be a real chill day though. Good morning, guys. So this is day 2 of our Juneteenth weekend, and today's my mom's actual birthday. She's driving though. Okay, so somebody was in our spot, so we're gonna have to, they had to move for us. But this is our area. This is where we set up like dinner every weekend. But it's a lot of vendors here, guys. A lot. Alright, guys. Alright, we're setting up our banner.
Yeah.
I did two right there, look.
Okay. So that's how you do it? You do it right.
Smoother. We have a lot to do. We haven't did anything but put the mannequin, clothes on the mannequin. So we're gonna yeah, clean up all this mess.
I walked into Dr. Robin's office and I believe it was Anthony DiMartino and Maureen Simmons. And we walked into your office to talk about
Lights, okay. Alright, so hey guys, so we kind of set up a little bit. I am walking to the store, the non-action store over here. Today's my mom's birthday, so she needs a safety pan. So that's what I'm doing. I'm about to get a safety pan. We running the light because why not? And I kind of want an energy drink. I know this guy's not following me. I know he's not following me. This guy is following me. Hold on, guys. This guy is following me. Oh. Hi, I'm sorry. I'm dating someone. Yeah.
I gotta come back. Okay.
I need a rock star. Here, rock star. This is it. Have a good day. Thank you. How you walk? Should we run the light? Should we run the light? No, we shouldn't. Shit, I missed my opportunity. Okay, so the lighting is okay. Trying to find a light. Okay, so let me tell you guys what happened. I saw that guy over there. I saw him. He said, say something to me. I just said hi to, you know, to keep it pushing. So I walk across the street. I see him in a bicycle. On the bicycle. I said, I know this guy is not following me. He followed me all the way to the store over here. But I mean, I don't like that. I do not like that at all, guys. So any guys watching this, don't follow somebody. Don't do it. It's not it. Alright, so we're walking back.
Look who did it, motherfucker. Yes. It's your girl Gwen, the Moss Lady.
Hey guys, please don't judge me.
Thank you.